you wash it then. I'm washing everything else. Okay? Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, now, if you want to, since I'm live streaming it.
Yeah.
You should be able to see it. Okay?
Yep.
So, it's a little blurry. So do we have a tripod or something? Do we have a tripod or something? Oh, do we? Here. You hang on to it. Don't touch anything. I'm gonna see if I still have mine. I think you have it. Do you have it? Oh, well, I'll hold the camera. You move stuff around, okay? Okay. We're gonna switch shelves today from that little dinky one to this big honker here, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take the rest of the stuff down.
We're going to take out these samples in the Innovation Universal from Andrew.
Yep.
For Diesel Doocy.
Go ahead. Keep going.
This, these Dover impulse, and the belt buckle,
Yep.
and my Otis glove, and the little push button, and the antique elevator call button,
Yep.
and the brails,
Okay. Take the rest of the stuff out.
and then take out my Otis and Schindler and O'Keefe hats.
Okay. Now I'll take your big panels out too.
And then take out the big Innovation Bruiser whole pen. Oh my God, it's very heavy.
We'll just take them out one at a time. We'll just take them out one at a time. See, I can't zoom in and zoom out, but go ahead. All right.
All right.
Now you hang on to this.
Yes.
Let me see this is. No, this isn't even bolted to the wall. I'll have to see if I can bolt it to the wall or not. We might be able just to put this right over here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
I mean, but we'll probably have to move this out a little bit so you can get to your power plugs here.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm concerned about is how much clearance you got. We need to vacuum that up first, okay?
Okay.
Got a power plug for me?
Yeah.
Where? Can I just unplug one of these real quick?
Yeah. From the big RCA TV.
Just the bottom one.
Make it going very, very loud.
Yeah, well, it's a little shot back.
Whoa, that's loud. There goes Duchess, the cat.
That's a lot more cleaner than it was.
Yeah.
Give me a minute.
Okay.
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 Now we got enough room.
Nope. So.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this is big enough and heavy enough. It shouldn't need to be bolted to. It's wide enough too. This is almost the same size as Mom has.
Yeah.
And when you open the door, it'll go like that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, do you want those big panels on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. See if they'll fit the way that they are right now. Will they fit? Yeah. Okay, good. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can put other things on the bottom shelf too if you want to. And I hear myself like an echo. I'm gonna go get a dust rag.
Okay, getting this. I've never seen that before in my life. You found our spaceship yet? I'm getting tired of hanging around here.
Transformers movies on. Transformers movies on. Geoffrey, you pick these up.
Yeah.
So you can just dust this off real quick. Okay. All right. All right. Now you want to put everything else in here on here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to put another shelf on?
Yeah.
You want to put another shelf on here?
Yeah.
Okay. So move your stuff off of here. Go ahead. Take the black part there too. Okay, come here. And we'll put it right here, okay? Okay, now you got another shelf you can put things on. Okay?
Okay. Oh. The birds, they can go out.
Yeah. It just sits in there. I thought they snapped in there, but that one just sits in there. Yeah, stop talking to me. I hear you.
Diesel doozy, diesel doozy, diesel doozy.
It's a real light train engine.
Hear the echo, huh? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Is that everything?
Yep.
Okay, hang on to this. I'm gonna move this over push it toward here so it's not against your bed. Okay?
Okay.
Put your antenna back up. A little bit. Okay?
Okay.
So these extra boards we'll put over by Dad.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now go show Mom.
Mom,
What?
come in here.
Amy's crew will be back tomorrow to finish the job on the loaded 18.
She said please though.
Please.
Come in here.
Okay?
Oh, nice.
You got a lot more room.
Awesome.
And you can also put things
On the top shelf.
on the very top, but maybe next year. Okay?
Yeah.
And this one we'll just leave here for now.
Yeah, you can put other things on here. Clean it up.
Yeah.
And put little things on here.
Yeah.
Your DVDs. Well, you got all those DVDs there.
Yeah.
Yeah. We gotta have room right here.
So we need to put these extra boards away.
Somewhere.
Okay?
Okay.
We need to clean this up.
Okay.
Okay. But you could put, Geoffrey, you need to clean. You could put them like things here.
Yeah.
Or, you know, if you have more DVDs like that, you could put them like over here.
Yeah.
Or down here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe if your big brother comes by.
Yeah.
You could show him your new bookshelf.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And how much did this cost us?
$19.99.
And we're at?
The Goodwill store.
You got a good bargain, didn't you?
And at 48th and Vine.
Yep. We got lucky. They had this brown one, then they had one just
Like
like
this
this. But he decided he wanted a brown one. Okay.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye. Adios.
Okay.